Y'all got two little corn shelling here again today, as you can tell. Well, let's get forth. There's a map of the field that we're doing. We just start this new field. We're doing 13 acres so far in it. The yield average ain't too bad, 178. It's 178 climbing. The weather kind of been crappy for selling anything lately. We've had rain and lots of rain and lots of the corn's picked up a little moisture. As you can tell, it's around about 20, which ain't too bad, but drying corn. But it's picked up a little moisture. It was running 16, 17 before this rain came through, and then we had 2.5 inches of rain, and that was on a Friday. That was on Saturday and Sunday, and then we got back in the field yesterday, Tuesday. And the corn it's been hot, and it's been real cloudy, and kind of been sprinkling rain again today. And so the corn hadn't really dried down much. The corn hadn't dried down much. So the corn hadn't dried down a whole lot yet. Hopefully, when we get this farm done, it'll be dried down, because this is the last of our early planted corn. And everything else is about 2 weeks behind this. So we may have to shut down for a little while. We may have to shut down for a little while after this. I don't know. We'll just have to see once. I don't know. As you can see, it was 75% full. As you can see, it was 75% full. We're going to top it off. We're going to unlock here. And if we get in the field, I won't stop it before. But you can see it went some nice long. Rows of corn here. I had a phone call, so the radio started going off, and Yana couldn't think of hitting all that, so I cut the video off. But we'll start back on this way again. This is 180. This is like 186 acre field, and let's see, 105 acres of it, 10 acres of it's irrigated, but this ain't irrigated. This right here currently ain't irrigated. It's running 187. I hope y'all enjoy this video. I had an issue with I was going to get a video of unloading on the go with the auger wagon, but I kept having to talk on the radio to him to tell him how to run the tractor. A new guy, he never run the tractor before. First ran with the tractor. He know how to run. I had to tell him how to run the CVT transmission, so I couldn't do that. I couldn't do that and hold the radio and hold the camera at the same time to run the pivot spout. So I only got so many hands. But we're showing out here in front of the grain bins, as you can tell. So it's pretty right here in front of the grain bin. We had a little issue with the capacitor on the elevator leg, and I don't know how long I'll be able to run. I don't know how long that's going to be down. And we have everything's breaking. We have one semi truck down right now. Don't know what's wrong with it. They got some kind of fuel sensor or something sensor on it gone down right now. And then we got it's down right now with a lot of corn on it sitting back there other than the field. What we showed you, it's been out since yesterday morning. First load went down. And it's been sitting there since yesterday morning. And so we'll see how long that lasts. Hopefully they get it fixed soon, and then hopefully the elevator leg gets fixed soon, so we can keep shelling. I don't know. There's something about a capacitor or something. I don't know much about electricity, or something about a capacitor or something. I don't know what the deal is, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know, I'll talk to y'all. So I don't know what's going on with that, but I'll talk to y'all later. I'll talk to y'all later on when we get this, you can see, when we get this corn, we're getting the field opened up now. And then he's unloading the cart. So, yeah. Anyhow, that's what be going on. Our yield average is currently 182. Our orchard's running, I don't know, 19. So anywhere from 19 to 15, depending on what part of the field you're in. And the yield through the field you're anywhere from 250 to 180, depending on what part of the field you're in. So the yield is just real erratic this year on the corn. So yeah. And we are full. So we are full. So I'll come back to y'all when we later on. So yeah, y'all have a good day.